Violate that Fourth
It
Amendment
does.
right.
No, if you force me to identify, it does.
Well, because you're driving a motor vehicle.
I'm not driving a motor vehicle. My vehicle is parked.
So you're still occupying a motor vehicle.
I can't occupy a motor parked vehicle.
Okay. Yes. All right.
Hang on a second.
My paperwork's right here to your left. That's why I. No, I've got to fill it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
You a YouTuber?
I don't answer
You have a lot
questions.
of tattoos. You mind if I get
I don't answer questions. Go ahead.
You mind if
Are
I
you
get
sure
a
that's not
good,
your personal phone?
If I get a good...
Man, you should be educating them, man.
A journalist legally parked in a street in Plainfield, New Jersey, is confronted by two police officers investigating a suspicious vehicle call. The core issue: can police compel a citizen to provide ID based solely on a non-criminal suspicion? The journalist launches a strategic legal defense, challenging the officer's probable cause and demanding to know the specific crime he is suspected of committing, ultimately exposing the police's reliance on illegal investigative tactics.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
How are you?
I'm
Got a
good.
call for a suspicious car that's been here
Okay.
for some time, and I'm here to check it out, make sure everything's good.
Hey, before we start, can I get a name and badge number?
Sure. Officer Hill, badge number 548,
And what department are you from?
Pennsville.
And where's that located?
Here,
No, the address.
90 North Broadway.
90 North Broadway. Okay. So you said you got a call about a suspicious car. And what else?
Suspicious vehicle, and that's it.
Okay.
That's been parked here for quite some time. I'm just here to check it out.
Okay, officer. Like I told the individual who approached me,
Okay.
I'm parked legally. I'm not doing anything wrong, and I'd just like to be left alone
Okay.
because, as you know, we're American citizens and we don't have to explain ourselves to people what we're doing if we're not breaking the law, right?
Right.
So that's all I told the individual, and quite frankly, man, I'd just like to be left alone to be a free citizen.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right. I just gotta get. Is this your car?
I'm not going to answer any questions. I'm going to
Okay.
invoke my Fourth Amendment right. And
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Can I get your name, sir?
You don't have to answer any questions. Yeah.
Okay.
This is not a Terry stop, as you know.
Yeah, I know. It's just I'm conducting an investigation.
No, I know, but still.
I gotta get information on who I'm talking to.
No, you don't.
I do.
Brown v. Texas states that just because you got a call that didn't give you any probable cause or reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime, you don't have the right to identify anyone.
Okay.
So, that's case law.
All right. Well, what I'll say is, yeah, you're parked legally. Just
Sure.
you're fine to do whatever you please. Okay.
So then, okay. So, like you said, I'm fine.
Yeah.
But why would you say that you have to get the ID of everyone in the car when you know that that's against the law
I
to
tell
identify
everyone
someone?
the same thing when I'm conducting an
Is
investigation.
that common
I like
practice?
Is that what
Is
I
that
do?
common practice? Yeah, like,
Yeah. If
okay.
I'm conducting an investigation, I'd like to get the name of everyone that I'm talking to.
Okay. It's not
Just like
optional.
Just like how you asked my name and everything.
You're a public official. I'm a private citizen.
I know,
yeah.
but I'm saying, you know how you like to speak
Yeah.
with my name and everything. I'd like to do the same thing.
And you're respectful of people who don't want to give their names, correct? That's what. Okay, good. Well then,
Yeah,
we're good
I mean,
then.
you're
We're
not
good.
you're
We're
not
good.
breaking any laws. So.
Perfect. Yeah. I would appreciate it if you let her know that I'm not breaking any law, and them also. Apparently, they feel that because you're parked in front of their house, that they own this property and no one else can park here.
Right.
So yeah.
And like I said, you're parked legally. What I will suggest, and you don't have to, is we have a boat ramp. We have a park. If you would like to go park there, I know you can park here. That way, people don't keep calling you and say, "Hey, this car's suspicious."
That's a good suggestion, but a better suggestion would be just educate the citizens that people have the right to park in a public street and shouldn't have to go to boat ramp just because they're uncomfortable. That would be the legal and wiser approach.
That's why I'm not making you leave.
I know. I just didn't like that suggestion. Just leaving from here because she's uncomfortable, going somewhere else at a boat ramp. I want to be parked legally where I can be.
Yep.
And if they're uncomfortable, that's unfortunate. That's on them for not knowing the law.
I got you.
Right? That's not on me.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't deal with uncomfortable, man. I try to work with the law.
All right.
So,
Thanks, sir.
all right.
How you doing, sir?
Hello, sir.
Are you
I'm not going to answer any questions. Before we start, can I get your name and badge number?
Davenport 519?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so here's where we're at.
Uh-huh.
In New Jersey or
Yes.
any state, you have to provide your name and information during an investigation or even a motor vehicle stop. Okay.
Okay.
I know the RO of the car is That's all I'm trying to confirm is that's who you are, so we can get out of here.
So you said in an investigation I have to legally provide my name.
Yes.
And if I consult my attorney, they'd say the same.
Correct.
And that's not true.
The auditor invokes his Fifth Amendment right to silence and Fourth Amendment right against identification, demanding the officer name the specific crime. What crime do you suspect me of committing? The officer's refusal to answer and his attempt to justify the stop based on mere suspicion demonstrate a complete failure of the Terry v. Ohio standard for investigative stops, proving the detention is unlawful.
To find out what's going on because we had a house in this area that
Has nothing to do with me. Is that a crime, though?
I can't associate that. All I'm trying to do is get you out of here so we all can go about our way.
But do I have a Fourth Amendment right? Can you answer that?
What would that be, too?
You tell me. You're the officer. You know what a Fourth
And I'm
Amendment
saying this
is, right?
doesn't violate that Fourth
It
Amendment
does.
right.
No, if you force me to identify, it does.
Well, because you're driving a motor vehicle.
I'm not driving a motor vehicle. My vehicle is parked.
So you're still occupying a motor vehicle.
I can occupy a
You
motor
can
parked
operate.
vehicle. I can operate,
That
but I'm
you can
not.
operate, but it still is the same.
It's not the
You
same.
you have the right to operate it on
okay.
a public street.
But can I commit a moving violation while parking?
No, but you can't commit a parking violation.
So, am I committing a parking violation?
I don't know yet because I don't know if you're the registered owner of this
I'm
vehicle.
going to invoke my Fifth
So
Amendment
I
right.
don't know if you have a driver's license.
I'm going to invoke my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent without a lawyer present to answer any questions.
While remaining silent?
Sure.
While remaining silent?
Sure.
I just need you to provide me your proper driving documentation.
I'm not going to provide any documents since I didn't break any laws.
You definitely have to provide a driver's
I'm not
license,
going to provide any documents since I didn't
registration,
break
and
any
the
laws.
insurance for the vehicle.
At this point in time, I'm going to remain silent.
Okay. We're kind of impasse here, and I'm trying to make this as easy for everybody as possible. I get your frustration. I get it. I'm at the same level.
Listen,
honestly.
the next step is litigation if you violate my rights. And on the oath, you're going to have to answer these questions in front of a jury, okay? I'm not going to ask any questions moving forward, okay? I invoke my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent
So let me
without
get
the
this straight.
presence of an attorney.
You're not going to provide a driver's license, registration, or
Do you suspect me of
insurance
committing a
information?
crime or a moving violation?
I can't determine that.
So
Until I
then the answer is no.
if your driver's license is
Do
valid.
you suspect me of committing a
You're saying
crime
that. I
or a
can't
moving
guarantee that
violation?
until I can provide the documentation.
Do you suspect me of committing a crime or a moving violation? Yes or no?
I don't know yet.
So you don't know.
No,
So
because I can't provide
do
your
your
proper
investigation. Talk to whoever you have to talk to.
which we have, and the final
your-
step here is
what
to make
did
sure you
they
have a
say?
valid license.
No, you don't get to go in the place determining who. You
I
know?
do, because you
I'm
got
not
here
even going to
somehow.
speak anymore.
You
Did
got-
you
you
see
got
me?
those points,
Did you
right?
see me arrive here?
Huh?
Did you see me drive
The
here?
neighbors did.
But did you? Are they police
I didn't need
officers?
to. It doesn't matter.
All right, listen.
You got here somehow, right?
Supervisor, please.
I am. It's right here.
You're a
That's why I'm here.
supervisor, please.
Yes.
You're a supervisor.
No, that's it. This is me.
Fifth Amendment.
Okay.
Invoke my Fifth. I invoke my Fourth, and I invoke my First Amendment right also. And can I get a card number, Hill?
Hill,
Yes, can I get a card number, please?
a CAD number?
Yes. Call number, card number,
Yeah,
incident number,
you'll be
whatever
able
you
to.
guys call it.
you'll be able to. We'll give it to you.
Can I get it now?
You can get it now.
Yes, please. Thank you. I appreciate
Can I
it.
get your ID?
No, sir.
Okay.
What is your RAS?
My reasonable
Your RAS
articulable suspicion?
of a crime.
No, so this is what we're trying to explain to you. We get called here for
I
a
know
suspicious
how it
vehicle.
works. Okay, this is not.
You obviously don't because you're not
I
giving
don't-
us your
okay.
ID.
Okay. Can I get the card number?
Yeah,
Thank you. I'm not going to speak to you either. I'm going to invoke my Fifth Amendment right.
sounds good. County, can I get a case number?
Remember I told you, are you familiar with the Bill of Rights?
Similar to the 34th sale.
Confirm.
Are you familiar with the Bill of Rights?
Yep.
And okay, good.
Yep.
You know there's established law regarding the Fourth Amendment, someone's right to be secure in their effects. Okay, and a Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
Yep.
Okay, you're aware of that. Thanks
Yep.
for putting it on record.
You're welcome.
Then, okay. Right there. I'm not gonna resist,
No,
man.
you're
You're
good.
gonna put
You're
me
good.
on arrest. Look, here's my hands. I'm not gonna resist. I just want to make sure that we're on the same page, because
That's-
if
I
other
think we
officers tell
are,
me they're gonna
honestly.
pull me out of the car, and I just don't want to be, what are we gonna do?
Nah.
I'm very respectful. Are we
I'd say-
okay?
yeah. So here's what we're gonna do.
Sure.
Okay? Because I really don't want this massive headache of whatever's going on.
Okay.
So, what my thing is obviously this car's registered in New Jersey, right? So we can pull the registration, see who the RO is, and see if the RO matches your picture in the DMV system.
Public plate, right? Public license plate. So yeah, you guys
Right,
have the right
exactly.
to do that. Yeah.
Okay. So, to me, that's the easiest way to resolve the whole matter. And
I
just
think so too.
all of us going about our way, right?
Perfect.
Okay?
I'm okay with that.
That work for you?
Yep.
'Cause I don't feel like having to go to this just for a simple little suspicious vehicle investigation.
Yep.
The whole reason why we're pushing it that far is because we literally just had an incident at the school that's 100 yards away.
Okay.
So that's why we're in the area now anyway. So
Listen,
just
I
letting you
understand that, but
The officers push the idea that they must get the driver's license to confirm its validity. Something happens. I know I have a license that is valid. The auditor correctly asserts that the police have no right to demand ID without suspicion of a crime, regardless of the vehicle status. This final pressure tactic, designed to illegally obtain ID, fails, forcing the officers to admit defeat and end the unconstitutional detention.
yes.
we're going to have to get your license at that point. Get what I'm saying?
Well, you have to have a legal reason to pull me over, like I told him.
I know, I'm not saying we're going to sit here and try to pull you over.
No,
I'm
I
just
get
saying,
that.
God forbid, something else happens from
I
now.
know
Got
that
me?
I have a license that is valid and it's legal for me to operate on this
Okay.
roadway, okay?
All right.
And that's why I have dash cameras front, back, side to side to make sure I'm covered.
Right.
Okay.
Well, it makes it
Just
easy,
like how you
better
guys
for you.
have your cameras.
Yeah,
too.
we gotta
I
have everything
mine
on
too,
camera.
Mine too.
Yep.
So
All right.
I'm not worried about that part.
All right. You have a good one.
I
We're
never
going to
said
get
I
out of
missed
here.
it. Good. All right. Thank you very much.
The officers failed the audit by unlawfully detaining a citizen based on mere suspicion and attempting to compel identification without articulable cause. The citizen's knowledge of the Fourth and Fifth Amendments successfully exposed the police's illegal investigation tactics, demonstrating that police cannot legally force someone to identify themselves when they are simply parked and committing no crime. At the Summit, Illinois Post Office, a journalist filming in the public lobby is immediately challenged by an employee who falsely claims federal law prohibits recording. The situation escalates with the employee illegally taking the journalist's photo on a personal phone and calling 911. This audit exposes the extreme level of legal ignorance and paranoia among federal staff, forcing the police to intervene and address the abuse of the public's First Amendment rights.
This is their rules and regulations of stuff that's, in terms of conduct on postal property. And it tells the staff here, your regular citizens have a right to come in and film on, postal property. I was trying to convey that to them while I was here. They just weren't too interested. So they wanted me to leave. And I told them after I file a FOIA request, I will be out of here. It's fairly small. It's not nothing really to document. But the guy did take a picture of me with his personal phone, so I need to.
What was the whole issue? Like, what happened?
Just me recording, literally. That was it.
When you walked in recording, that's what the problem was?
Exactly. So, yeah, I know. And it's right, it's literally.
Did you come into the front desk, or did you?
Well, when I first walked in, I got all this footage right here, and then I walked in right here, and I started filming, like, the desk and stuff, and this guy with the boxes, he engaged me right away. Sir, what are you doing? And I was just explaining it to him. And the other guy right there, he didn't know as well, but.
So you said that you can't be filming, they said you can't be filming on property?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you conduct any business here?
I'm trying to file a FOIA now. I wasn't even going to file one until I seen the guy take a picture of me with his personal phone, but now I have to, so.
What are you filing a FOIA over?
The Freedom of Information Act.
Yeah,
for the public record that he created with his phone. So he took a picture, a video of me, of his phone, with his personal phone. That's creating a public record, so.
Okay. All right, how you doing? Can we step out? Just step outside and talk out here.
I mean,
Okay.
that's cool, yeah, but you see my paperwork is right here to your right? So I definitely
all
got
your stuff right here?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I don't want to, I definitely got to finish.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's literally the entire issue here today. So nothing nefarious, don't have any ill intent, nothing's
So
going
you're
on.
filling out this paperwork here for a FOIA?
Yeah, because only reason why I'm using this passport application is because I don't have like a FOIA form, and in the state of Illinois, no standard form is even required. So you can write it on that blank sheet. So I'm gonna use that as a blank sheet. Hey, what's your name and badge number,
I
officer?
think it's 130.
130. Appreciate it. You, sir?
Pinkowski 148.
Appreciate that. You, sir?
Yeah, 150.
Thanks a lot.
Let's step outside. I don't want to do it in here. Let's just talk out here.
Yeah.
How many people are nervous about coming in?
Yeah, that's cool. But I'm just so we clear. I definitely got to finish my business. So I can step out and talk to you briefly.
Do you have an ID that can run real quick, sir? Is that okay?
No, I don't have it. I don't have an ID on me right now. I mean, I can give you my first name, James. That's cool. I don't want to, provide ID minus a crime or anything like that. So, what did they do? Press the panic button or something?
Well, they just called us up and just trying to see what's going on, James.
Yeah, I know. Like it had to be 911 though, man. Y'all, it's too many of y'all, man.
Well, you know what? You know what it is? Honestly, James, to tell you the truth.
Uh-huh.
It's the end of the shift.
Oh, okay.
And so we're getting ready to leave. So when we're all going in, they called that there was a disturbance.
Right.
We're all getting gas. We're all like right here in the corner.
Wow.
So we all just came over here because why not? We're right here.
Yeah.
Plus, it's better in numbers. You never know what you're gonna get yourself into.
Yeah, I feel you, man. That's like abuse of 911 though, man. At the end of the day, because if I call 911 right, say I see a guy with a gun and it's not a gun, then I've lied. Can't someone be charged for that?
Yeah, but I think what they're saying is they wanted somebody off their property.
Right.
So.
But when we're talking about in terms of them saying 911, we have someone disorderly conduct or whatever the verbiage that they use.
Yeah, they said there was somebody being disorderly.
Yeah,
and
standing there recording is definitely not.
They could use that. Abuse of 911 would be if they called and there was nothing going on. They just wanted to have it show up or something like that. So what is your name, sir? James, what is your last name?
Well, I just want to give James, Officer Dominguez, with all due respect, if I'm not, I haven't committed any crimes or anything like that.
You have not committed a crime.
Yes, so I just want to remain anonymous.
I'm just running it just for my information so we know who we're talking about.
No, I understand how that go, but I'd just rather give you James. I mean, you guys been great, so.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's cool.
I know he asked you already.
Yeah.
Can you give me the summary of what?
Yeah, real quick, what you need. How can we help you? Like, basically, you guys, to be perfectly honest, the police department can't really help. Okay. But it would be a help if you can convey to them that we do have a right to do exactly what I was doing and to leave me unmolested. That'll be a great help. Okay. I'm trying to file a FOIA with the USPS. Okay. I'll be good to go. That's it.
Okay. I don't think they were even aware that you were trying to even file a FOIA.
I had told them. I told both of them guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I told both of them.
You weren't trying to do anything. You were just like that.
Absolutely not.
Are you thinking that they're going to help you?
Well, all I have to do is fill out the FOIA, and then I'll turn it into them. If they want to accept it or not, I can't help that. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. If they don't want to accept it, then that'll be a direct violation of my rights as well. And we have that on camera, so, they don't have to help. I'm definitely going to fill it out and give it to them, though. Yeah. I already documented everything. The post office is fairly small, so it's nothing to really record. Yeah. It was just that they was trying to step on my rights to record. And it's right there on the wall telling them that we can do it. So it's weird.
What was your first order of business when you came here, if you don't mind me asking?
Just to document the post office. Just come in and check it out and record in public accessible areas. Just exercise.
The employee illegally creates a public record by taking a photo/video of the journalist with a personal phone while on the clock. The auditor correctly recognizes that this unauthorized photo is now a public record subject to a FOIA request, Freedom of Information Act, demonstrating a profound legal trap set by the employee's own ignorance. This retaliation confirms the aggressive nature of the employee's unlawful actions.
His personal phone. Trust me, I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing this all over.
I understand what you're saying. I'm not sure that's gonna work. Like, you can try it.
They can deny it. I just have to. Then I'll appeal it. That's okay. But I still have a right to file one. Is what I'm saying, to submit it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can try it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So all right.
Hang on a second.
My paperwork's right here to your left. That's why I. No, I've got to fill it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hang on a second. Do they want him trespass?
96.
Well, they can't just trespass me for nothing.
No. Okay, no. You say no.
Yeah, they couldn't do it anyway.
Okay.
So let me fill out this on this blank sheet right quick. Real quick, and we'll be good to go.
My safety is of highest concern, and the safety of our customers that come in.
He seems like he's being cool.
I wasn't doing anything.
I'm not sure how it works.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying, I don't have an issue with anybody doing, exercising their right to do anything.
Yeah. And that's basically all he wanted to do was, I guess, record this place. That's why he said he was coming.
And officer, how you pronounce your last name one more time?
Pinkowski.
Pinkowski. Did you guys show him that they're poster 7 right there?
I'm sure he knows.
No, I don't think he does, to be honest.
Okay. So you're good then? Like,
Yeah, we're all right. As long as listen, my thing is about peace. As long as you guys say everything is fine.
He literally said he wants to record this. He said he's done with that. He said he wants to fill out that, turn it into you guys, and then he said that's all he was here to do.
You can't turn in no passport application today because we don't have an agent available.
Well, yeah, so the thing is, in the state of Illinois, when you file a FOIA, no standard form is necessary. It's not required. So I fill it out on a blank sheet. So what I'm actually using this application for is a blank sheet.
Okay.
Yeah, because they don't have forms. They don't have FOIA forms. So that's the only reason why.
Okay, yeah, they'll accept that. I don't know anything about
Yeah.
those forms, so.
So we'll just fill out FOIA right here. And we'll be good to go.
No, if you guys wanted to trespass him, you could trespass him, and then he would not be able to.
I haven't done any of that though today. I mean, I hope you guys not trying to make up things because while the cops are here, because everything's on camera. It's gonna look bad when this goes to the postal inspection. I mean, for lack of a better term, and then the appropriate authority to call here, to be honest with you, would be FPS to begin with. So
he's saying that he's fine. You're saying that you won't go.
Well, not listen. I can't make that call. I'm just a clerk here.
Okay.
I'm just a clerk. So he's my immediate supervisor. Okay. At this point, our postmaster's not in at the moment.
Okay. So you're the supervisor. You could trespass him from this property.
for what crime though, officer?
Not from a crime.
Just
it could be because he was saying you're disrupting the customers.
so okay. So can I show you the video where none of that happened, and then he'll be liable for lying to the cops, right? Because I can show it to you. That's a thorough investigation, correct, officer?
No. Okay. So here's the thing.
Okay.
Your definition of disturbing his customers and his definition of disturbing his customers might be different.
Well, what I'm saying to you, officers, I understand what you're saying, but when I came in here, no customers it was just me and him talking.
Yeah.
The personnel. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. So you could trespass him, or you could let him fill out his form and turn it in, and then he says he's done and he's leaving.
That's precisely what I wanted to do.
Up to you. Okay.
So we're gonna fill out this FOIA right quick, and then we'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. An officer, because is there a way that you guys could call it just to make sure? Because we're getting ready to. Seems like we're getting ready to step into some mess. Is there a way you guys can call the supervisor, sergeant?
He's right there.
Oh, that's the sergeant.
That's lieutenant.
Oh, that's a lieutenant. With the one with the glasses?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'll have a dialogue with him. So a copy of the video the guy took of me with his personal.
Yeah, no problem.
So is that the lieutenant?
That is.
Okay. Let's see if we can speak with the lieutenant real quick. I'm trying to listen to this cop right here explaining something. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna see what this lieutenant has to say real quick. He's a lieutenant, so we'll definitely see. Like my trespass, man. That'll be the biggest mistake they'll make, man, career-wise, because, like I said, this is federal property, man. Y'all city cops, man. But, you know, I don't have to keep on telling them that. They know exactly, you know, if they want to make the mistake, allow them to. Shouldn't have to educate them. So, Lieutenant, what's your last name, sir? How do you pronounce it? Zeman? Did I get it right? Okay. So real quick, Lieutenant, I know obviously you've been listening in on it a little bit, what's been going on. I just wanted to make sure that, you know what I'm saying, the officers here, obviously you're a lieutenant, you're overseeing everybody that's here. We do have a First Amendment right to record in public and to file a FOIA. But my thing is, the most crucial thing about it is right there on that wall that's telling them that we can do this. And we're getting pushback. So.
We're aware. They said you could do it.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they said you could fill the form out.
Okay, so...
They told you this already, right?
Well, yeah, kind of, sort of, but I'm saying before you guys got here, they didn't, is what I'm saying. So
okay. Well,
I'm going to get a copy.
Thing,
okay, well, I'm going to just get a copy of this for you, and then, like I said, once you guys book out, I'll be leaving.
Yeah, if they got a copy of that, I guess they probably do.
Yeah, I'll ask them real quick.
You want me to ask them for you?
I mean, I can. That's okay. Appreciate it, though. Thanks. So, let's see if they're ready to give us a copy of the FOIA. Can I get a copy of this, bro? Then I'll be good. Just a Xerox photocopy. Appreciate it. Yeah, so just wanted to make sure everything is everything, you know. Yeah, like I was just telling the lieutenant, yeah, everything's straight, man. I guess the lieutenant had another dialogue with him at the end right there. They're saying everything's cool now. Yeah. Maybe they talked to their postmaster.
Okay, yeah.
It's possible.
Could be.
But my thing is, like I say, once I get my copy, I'll be good. And then once you guys leave, I'll be leaving.
Yeah, because you're right. Like, you're able to come and record. Like, I understand everything that you're doing.
For sure. Yeah, especially, like I said, it's right there on the wall right there. Yeah. What? Oh, yeah, you can keep the original. I'll just take the copy. Yep, appreciate it. Yep. So, yeah, like I said, it's right there on the wall. I'm not sure. Did you guys, I'm not sure. Did you see it right here?
I know what you're talking about.
Oh, you know exactly what it is? Yeah, so, yeah, man, that's the only thing I said. Nothing nefarious don't happen.
Yeah, and people, you know how it is. People hate this. You know what I'm saying?
But you know what's crazy?
It says, I know you're within the rules. I'm just telling you, it's people's natural instinct.
But but the only crazy part about that, if you look up in that ceiling, the cameras are
we're being recorded right now. Oh yeah,
y'all don't even got body cams up?
No, not us.
City of Summit?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep. Wow. Squad car cameras. Body cameras next.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Well, it's like once you guys leave, I'll be booking out. So, yep. Let me write this down real quick. We'll be good to go. Y'all stay tuned, TTA family.
Make sure everything goes up and up.
I hear what you're saying, but I'm just saying, you know, your guy, he called the police. That was unnecessary, man. Especially when I'm coming in doing something that's illegal. That's legal. You feel me? I just think that was unnecessary. That's all.
Yeah, but I mean, as long as, like I said, as long as you exercise your right to do what you're supposed to do, man, by all means, do it. That's the way I feel about it.
The initial police response is hostile, reflecting the employee's false claims. However, the arriving lieutenant enters and, after a long internal dialogue with the employee, orders the issue to be settled legally. The lieutenant's final decision to allow the journalist to submit the FOIA request and continue his work is the correct legal outcome, as federal law, Poster 7, protects filming in the lobby.
Like I say, we on the same level when it comes to life. It ain't got nothing to do with no police. If the police didn't show up, whatever the case may be, as long as I understand that you're doing what you're supposed to do, you got the right to do it, man, 100%, go for it.
All right, for sure.
You're doing life.
And you know what, real quick, you know the direct number to this office right here?
It's 708.
708.
458 0551.
458 0551. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, but like I say, man, you doing what you're supposed to do, man, keep it up.
All right, for sure.
It makes me more aware
of the rights we have.
Whatever, yeah, the rights we have, whatever the rules and procedures are.
Okay. All right. So the police has left now. Now we can book on out, man. All right, man.
Let me holler at you two outside of that. I mean, it ain't got nothing to do. I mean, man to man.
I mean, yeah,
maybe you got something I need to learn.
I mean, definitely so. Definitely.
I mean, you can cut the cameras off when we can talk man to man. I mean, you filmed everything you need to film, correct? I mean, you filmed everything that you need to film. You got all the information and documentation that you need. Maybe I need to learn something. That's all I'm saying.
If you really want to learn something like wholeheartedly, brother, honestly.
I'm a Muslim follower of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad.
Okay.
Outside of this.
Okay, I understand
outside of all of this.
Let me just really explain like a quick, just to give you a briefing real fast, because y'all got some customers coming in. So what we do is what's called First Amendment. We exercise our First Amendment right to report in public. For sure. Oh, well, I know you got some customers coming in.
You got somebody that can take care of it. Explain to me what's going on. How you doing, man?
So basically,
the camera talk, brother.
man, it's all about transparency and
I
honesty.
understand
That's
that,
it.
but I'm saying you filmed me enough. We talked already. We got everybody.
Now, I'm gonna be honest. I would accept that more if the police weren't calling on me.
I didn't call him.
But I'm just saying, you helped encouraged it.
No,
Respectfully.
Respectfully, I just need to know what was going on.
But I'm just saying.
Now we got to understand what's going on. Now let's talk.
We're gonna talk, but I got to keep it rolling. I got to.
Then we'll come back a different day. Then
there you go. I'll do that. Because I'm definitely gonna do a follow up. Definitely gonna do a follow up.
I would like to talk to you man to man off camera.
I got you. I'll be back. Probably let's set this up for some time in the near future.
Whenever, like I say, next time you and I communicate, let's talk man to man.
For sure. For sure. All right. And then let me see that. Yeah, I think all of them.
The audit was a legal success, proving that filming in a federal post office lobby is protected by the First Amendment and federal law, and that employees cannot legally compel a citizen to stop or leave. The employee's illegal act of taking a photo on his work time guarantees that his own retaliation is now evidence in a public record. At the Lee County Sheriff's Office, a journalist filming pamphlets in the public lobby is immediately confronted by a deputy who attempts to intimidate him. The core issue: can an officer coerce a citizen into revealing his identity by aggressively demanding his name and citing false legal authority? This audit is a tense test of the Fourth Amendment, where the journalist asserts his right to remain silent and refuses to comply with the officer's baseless demands.
I asked this man to stop filming me, and he still got his camera on me. The rest of the receptionist asked him the same thing, and he still got the camera on her. How we doing today, sir?
I'm doing good, man.
Is there a problem, or is there anything?
I just come in here to get some pamphlets real quick and video record right here, the public lobby.
The deputy immediately demands the journalist's name, claiming the right to identify him because he is making people feel uncomfortable. The journalist correctly asserts that he is not required to provide ID unless suspected of a crime, rendering the deputy's demand an unlawful seizure, violating the Fourth Amendment. The officer's failure to articulate a crime proves the detention is based on subjective feeling, not law.
I come and get pamphlets. She didn't want to be recorded. She ran to the back. He's telling me.
Would you mind if I ask you what your name?
Oh, I don't give that, bro.
You don't give that?
What's your name and badge number, man?
Morales, deputy.
Cool.
Why
are you taking photos of me? Why are you taking photos of me?
Are you a YouTuber?
I don't answer questions.
You have a lot of tattoos. You mind if I get
I don't answer questions. Go ahead. Are you sure that's not your personal phone?
If I get a good...
Man, you should be educating them, man.
Yeah, good side profile.
You should be educating them, man.
So,
I come peacefully, dude.
So, yeah. So...
That's it.
Yeah, I'm just... We're here, you know, you're making people feel uncomfortable.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you a law enforcer or a feelings enforcer, man? This is law, man. I'm allowed to do this.
Okay.
For a living.
I never said you weren't.
Okay, well, you're coming at me a little trying to intimidate me. It's not going to happen.
I just need to get some information for my contact with you.
Okay. Well, I didn't call you, bro. I didn't call you.
Put us on our call. Out with a 13P at 2201 2nd Street.
I didn't call you, bro. They called you. So you should talk to them.
Okay. So I just need to make sure I got good...
Are you sure that's not your personal phone? You
Don't
can't
worry,
be taking.
don't worry about
you
it.
can't be taking photographing
Don't
pictures
worry
on the
about
job.
it. How
on
you
your
gonna tell me what I can do?
I'm telling
You're
you.
doing it.
On a personal phone, you take photographs, pictures, video. You can. It becomes public record.
So
It
you
becomes
know everything.
public.
So you
No, I know
everything.
enough, man.
I'm not here to argue with you, sir.
I don't like this interaction.
to
I
argue
don't
with
like
you,
this
sir.
interaction.
It's okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and walk outside.
All right, that's fine. I
not being
really would
detained, right?
appreciate it if you could tell me your name and
I don't give that
date of
information,
birth.
bro.
No?
I don't give that information.
Okay.
Did I commit
I'm
a crime?
sure.
Did I commit a crime?
I'm sure you have. I'm sure you have come in and disturbed the peace and different.
How is
venues.
recording
So
disturbing
it shouldn't
the
be
peace?
too difficult for me to find information on you, but you could make it a lot easier for me.
I'm not gonna make your job easier
by just telling me.
I'm not gonna make
That's
your job
all.
easier.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that. I already told you why I'm here. I didn't interact with anybody.
That's okay. Yeah. I never said.
I got your name and badge number.
The auditor challenges the officer's logic. What are you, the feelings police? You feelings enforcement? You law enforcement protect my rights. This statement correctly distinguishes the police's lawful duty, enforcing the law, from their unlawful desire, enforcing subjective staff discomfort, effectively shutting down the officer's line of questioning and demonstrating the officer's lack of training regarding the First Amendment.
Interaction with you.
That's it.
And I took a photograph of you.
That's it.
Just for my record.
Okay.
You know, it also proves that you were not harmed in this interaction.
Absolutely not.
And
Why would I
everything
do that
like
on camera, bro? Why would I do that on camera? I can't take pamphlets. She interacted with me, asking me why I'm recording. That's not disturbing the peace.
That's very upsetting, man. These people are not bothering you. But
I'm
you
not
come in
bothering
here
them.
And you shove your camera in their face and you try to intimidate them.
Let me show you something, man. Is this shoving cameras in people's faces? Look, I'm coming to take pamphlets. I did this. Am I shoving in her face? And then she interacted with me, telling me why I'm doing it. She ran to the back. This man was very aggressive with me, telling me to have to step outside. I don't have to do that.
None of them done anything to hurt you.
Have I done anything to hurt them?
intimidate you?
Have I done anything to intimidate them? I just showed you what I did, dude. It's all on camera, bro. That's it. I was gonna be on my way out, but they decided to call you guys and had a meltdown. They're not respecting my First Amendment constitutional right. You should know that you swore an oath to it. You should be defending me.
I'm not here to intimidate
you. Should be defending me.
You know what? If I was after you and being aggressive with you,
kind of, you were a little trying to intimidate me there. Yeah, you were. You trying to get my information without committing a crime.
I asked you for it.
You can't do that. I don't have to. I don't have to. I can refuse. Not if I don't commit a crime. I don't get to give you my information. I don't have to do that. Can you tell them that? Look, yeah, bro. Listen, I come peacefully over here, bro. I came to get pamphlets. They had a meltdown. They called them, and this guy's trying to intimidate me. He wants my ID and my information. No. You know it's not gonna happen, bro.
Why you gotta change this? Why you gotta say stuff like that? Because
you did do that. My camera was a lie. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I was gonna be on my way out, bro.
Get your information.
And this guy hasn't even talked to them, bro. This lady ran to the back. She didn't want to be recorded. I don't understand. I didn't interact with nobody. That security was rough with me, telling me to get the hell out of here, put down my camera. Come on, bro.
I know.
I'm conducting a First Amendment audit.
I know.
You already know what I do.
I already know what you do.
So let your homeboys know, man. What's up? Him, at least. He's been okay. He hasn't interacted with me. But this man right here.
I was just getting all the documentation I need for my report.
Yeah, and he's trying to take pictures of me. It's cool. Hope it's not your personal phone. I can FOIA request that. I keep telling you that. I can't take photographs with your personal
So
phone.
you knock yourself out. You got my information.
I know. I have history with him. Very good history with him. Maybe you should listen to him right now.
That's good. I do listen to him.
Maybe you should listen to him right now.
He's a great officer.
I come here to get pamphlets, and you guys got called all of a sudden. That's it. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to let them know what's up and educate them and look better on the camera?
We'll talk to them.
You'll talk to them? Do that.
We'll talk to them.
Do that.
Yeah, we'll talk to them.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead.
So did they help you? Got everything you needed?
No, yeah, I just needed the pamphlets, and I was videoing, and the lady ran to the back. I don't want to be filmed. He told me to get the hell out of here. I didn't interact with nobody. And then these guys got called. All right. Come on, man. That security guard is rude as hell, man. You rude. I can film in public, dude. I can film in public, dude. I can film in public. He's telling me I can't film in there, bro. Can you tell him what's up? Bro, so I can do that. She interacted with me. I don't care what she doesn't want. I don't care what she doesn't want. Stop trying to act like a badass, dude, because they're here.
Joel, you've been arrested before, right?
I don't answer questions, dude. I don't answer questions, dude. I don't got nothing to say. Just get back to work, dude. Get back to work. Get back to work. Yo, this goes on the platform, dude. You're not looking good, bro.
I don't know why you feel intimidated by me.
Because the way you came at me, bro. You can't do that, man. You can't. You gotta go talk to them. I didn't call you.
You already know law enforcement officers have to get as much information as they can. You already know.
Man, I'm not having no more word with you, man.
Joel, you already.
Why don't you get back to work, man? How's that? You're dismissed, man. I don't got nothing else to tell you. You're dismissed, bro.
After you.
You're dismissed.
After you.
After you. I dismiss you, bro. You don't dismiss me. You're law enforcement, not feelings enforcement, man. Dismissed.
Joel's gonna put me on Facebook.
Not only on Facebook, man.
Or not.
This is why I record you guys. You guys look, you're the ones that look like idiots, bro. When you guys see you cool like that, I expose good too. But when you start acting like that just because I have a camera and but by the way I look, that looks horrible, man, on the platform. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, I got everything, bro. Maybe you should have been a little more silent like your man right there. And would have done your job, bro, and educate them and letting them know what I'm doing is my First Amendment right. You guys swore an oath to my rights right here. Freedom of the press, dude. You're not familiar with that?
Yes.
I hope you learned something new today, man. I would have been out the door, dude. Been gone in my ride.
All right. What's your ride, Joel?
Look at him. Why do you want to know my ride? You see this? My ride? I don't know. What did you think? What kind of ride do you think I got?
I don't know.
Come on, man. Just quit it already, man. Quit. Get back to work.
You gone, sir?
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Miguel.
back to work.
Let me get some dap, Miguel.
Lopez. You still got me when I see you, though.
Yeah, of course. Hey, I'm back right now for a little bit.
But where?
I had to go.
Sounds like
Yes,
the same
yes,
place?
yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah. I'll find you. I just got here yesterday, man. You know what?
So you paid?
Yeah, of course, bro. I just had to fix myself up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I gained weight.
I want to say at least 25.
Nah, bro.
How much?
48. I swear, bro. Yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm done with that life, bro.
Oh, okay.
It's going on a little over a year right now that I've been clean, man. All right, Miguel.
Yeah,
Miguel, you know I come peacefully here, bro.
No, I'm gonna go back.
You got idiots like your homeboy right there working.
The officers failed the audit by unlawfully attempting to compel identification and enforce staff discomfort over constitutional rights. The auditor successfully asserted his Fourth Amendment right to anonymity and the First Amendment right to record in a public building. The police's final retreat confirms they lack the legal grounds to continue the detention or demand ID. The Fourth Amendment is your shield. Hit the like button if you agree that police cannot detain you just for being suspicious. Comment below with the core phrase you should say to police to invoke your Fifth Amendment right. Subscribe to know your rights.